Donald Trump's pick for the Supreme Court will face a week-long FBI investigation into sexual assault allegations following a dramatic day in the U.S. Senate. The president has directed the FBI to launch a supplemental investigation into Brett Kavanaugh at the request of the Senate Judiciary Committee. Mr. Kavanaugh cleared the first hurdle towards being confirmed as a new judge in America's highest court, after his nomination was approved by the U.S. Senate's Judiciary Committee on Friday by an 11-10 vote. However, in late dramatic scenes just moments before the crucial vote was held, Republican Senator and committee member Jeff Flake called for a week-long delay before Mr. Kavanaugh's nomination is voted on by the full Senate for final confirmation. Mr. Flake said this would allow due diligence and an FBI investigation into claims made against Mr. Kavanaugh by a number of women, which he denies. Other senators also viewed as crucial swing votes on Mr. Kavanaugh's nomination, both Republican and Democrat, subsequently backed the calls for a delayed vote to allow an investigation. It raised the prospect of Republicans being unable to win the vote on Mr. Kavanaugh, a conservative, being confirmed as a Supreme Court justice without a probe into the claims against him. Following a meeting of the party's top senators, the Senate Judiciary Committee, on which Republicans hold a majority, announced they would ask the White House to order a supplemental FBI background investigation into Mr. Kavanaugh. This would be limited to current credible allegations and be completed no later than 1 week from today, the committee added. Mr. Trump agreed to the demand, adding in a statement, as the Senate has requested, this update must be limited in scope and completed in less than 1 week. The White House also released a statement from Mr. Kavanaugh, who said, "Throughout this process, I've been interviewed by the FBI, I've done a number of background calls directly with the Senate,